My review of the Hatch Restore after owning this thing for well over a year now. So I would recommend this thing to absolutely anyone who is trying to improve their sleep quality. They're looking for a noisemaker, a sunrise alarm clock. This thing is amazing. It comes with this app that is really intuitive. It's easy to set alarms. So you can see we have weekday alarms set, we have weekend alarms set, and the really cool thing is that you can program exactly how you want it to wake you up. So you can program the sound. They have a bunch of pre-programmed sounds that are really nice. And then you can program exactly the settings that you want in terms of the color, how long it takes to rise. So on the weekends we have it rise a little bit slower. On the weekends we have it rise a little bit quicker. So it's a really intuitive app. Again, it's preloaded with a lot of really good settings. We use the brown noise at night, so you can sort of see what that looks like. So again, they have a whole bunch of noises that you can use when you're going to sleep, when you're getting up in the morning. And yeah, this thing has been really awesome. It's really good at, the brown noise is really helpful for falling asleep and staying asleep. And then the sunrise is just amazing to kind of wake up to light, usually first instead of sound. So definitely pick these up if you're looking for a noisemaker, a sunrise alarm. I don't think there's any better than this on the market. Again, we've had this thing for over a year. It's been amazing, and I would recommend this to pretty much anyone.